am super excited today because I can take this thing off-road. I'll just stop talking and cut. God damn! Big fucking rocks. Why is it so rocky? Why is everything else not rocky but this one? I mean, this is what it's made for, no? Holy shit. How do I even get the fuck up there? Pretty sure this is where people shoot their guns. Damn. This is kind of cool. I mean, now where'd I go? I guess back down now. This is a steep fucking trail. Is there coyotes on this mountain? There better fucking not be. And there might be, like, predators. Okay. Yeah, they're shooting. I hear the gunshots. That does not sound good at all. Damn. How many rocks do we need, guys? This looks like the spot, too. Damn. Look at this shit. Look at these hills. Golly. There's a fire that was here. There's a bunch of abandoned shit. God damn, bro. Yo, this is crazy. I'm digging up so much dirt. Holy shit. Looks like we got like different steepness levels of hills right here. Like, what is this? What? Oh, this doesn't even look that fun. Hold up. I want to do the bigger one. This one right here. Yo. This is kind of fun. I can't even hold you. It's just my right wrist that's hurting a little bit. Take it out here. It's like a little shortcut. Oh, what the hell did I do? Oh, it's like mud. Where the f am I? I have no clue where the hell I am. This thing just looks like complete hell. Oh, okay, we found a trail. Oh! The fuck? God. It is a cold one today. It is a real cold one today. It is actually incredibly cold today. I'm really, really cold right now. Dude, it is so cold. I'm actually freezing right now. Like, it's just barely morning. The sun is out. Dude, I'm actually freezing so bad. I'm not even going 30, and it's freezing. So cold. I'm gonna be complaining about the cold this entire video, bro. It's incredibly cold. I actually might need to pull over and, I don't know, warm up. Dude, should I lane split? I should. I probably could, you know. Should I get it up there? I'm not gonna get it up there. It's gonna turn green. Yeah, maybe I should have gotten it up there. I don't know, I guess I'm not really comfortable with lane splitting, because then, or lane filtering, because I feel like I'm not safe or fast enough, you know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm on the usual trail. I mean, why not? Now that I'm going a little bit slower, it is a little bit warmer, and I love that. I love the warmth, but at the same time, I kind of hate it. Love-hate relationship. Now, I gotta be extra careful when I'm, what's it called, dealing with people on these trails. A lot of them are up here, early morning. We're gonna head north. Oh yeah, we are. A lot of people really don't care that I'm doing this. I mean, I wouldn't care either, but there are some people who do care about these bikes. I'm wearing my sling. I got new pants. I ripped my old jeans, so I can't wear those anymore. So I'm wearing the sling to carry my phone and my key. And I'm doing that because, oh, they closed this fucking trail. But I'm doing that because my pockets can't really work. So I'm gonna hop it up on the road. I nailed that pothole perfectly. I mean, damn. Nailed it right there. Whoa, we're somewhere. I don't know what this is. I've never been here. We're in like a residential neighborhood. Gotta be wary of my battery. Alright, I got lit up by that sign, dude. Absolutely lit up. I don't know if they take a picture of me and then post it, but wouldn't be smart staying in this area, so what I'm gonna do is stay in this area. But realistically, no, I'm not. I should probably get out of here. Like, where'd I even go, though? And we're gonna go. Oh, I know exactly where the fuck I am. Hey, dude. Did I bypass the trail? Probably not. I think I did, actually. I don't know. I hope I did. This looks like a crazy place to wheelie. Oh. Yeah, they closed that trail earlier. I mean, they closed it and it's just been under construction, so hopefully they fixed it, but damn, look at this hill, bro. I don't know if I'm ready to take this. What the fuck? Yo. Yo. That's crazy, dude. I don't know. I'm good. Like, I'm really not trying to do all that. You could pay me. I don't have experience right now. That's my excuse. Yeah, fuck that. Let's get back on it. I'm gonna activate my regen. I could deadass go to Chick-fil-A if I really wanted to. I might go to Chick-fil-A again. Okay, bet. We're gonna rip these trails. This is my first ever time ripping trails, so... I mean, hey, hopefully it's good. Yo, this is kind of cool. Oh, we're going in the forest. I don't know if that's cool. I don't know if I'm comfortable with that. I'm gonna die and disappear. That's what's gonna happen if I go there. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna get shot. What is this? Am I in someone's hunting property, bro? Am I one of those deers? What the hell? This just leads to nowhere. Oh, no, it doesn't. Leads up here. And then up here leads where? This is not public, is it? Yeah, this cannot be public property. I'm in someone's house or something. I feel like I'm going the wrong way, too. Bro, what? Where is this taking me, dude? Okay, it's tight squeeze. Oh, no, I think we're chilling. And that just takes me up. I'm like pretty sure. Dude, ooh, okay, it's slippery as hell. This is the method. Yeah, this is low-key the method right here. Is it really? Oh. What the hell, dude? Where am I? Oh, this is sharp dip. Bro, this is beautiful. Where am I? Yo. This is actually crazy. I'm enjoying this. Ooh, okay, I hit a rock. Oh, we're gonna hit tons of rocks. This is what the Talaria was made for, bro. I'm just super bad at this. Yeah, I'm gonna need to check my tire PSI when I'm done. Might have popped something. Oh, we're back on the trail? That was low-key hella fun. I enjoyed that. What? I'm just taking all the back roads, bro. I'm taking this thing everywhere. Like, where am I now? I don't know. Look at this. Holy. Oh, we're at a shopping place to shop. I could actually go in and get something if I wanted. I just don't have a bike lock. Someone could easily just take my Talaria, but man, I might get something. I don't know. Kind of like that they have this dirt right here. Little dirt path for me. Where does this take me? Oh, type shit. Type shit. Yo, look at this crazy view. Oh, look at that Corvette. Hey. Yeah. What dirt can this offer? Look, you trying to see? Oh, my regen is way too high. We're gonna put it at 2. No way? Using an off-road bike for the purpose of off-roading? This might be the method, guys. And it takes us back to the trail. Except there's a lock right there. Well, we're at 68, so I'm gonna flip it back and do a U. I'm gonna take it back up here. That's what I'm gonna do. I probably don't even have the battery for this, but whatever. I'll make it back. Oh, I'm really kicking up that dirt. It's kind of a good thing, but one thing about this Talaria is that it doesn't slip up. It always kicks the dirt. It always digs. Yeah, bro, what? I'm so buzzed. This bike is very... There's a piece of... Hold up. That's pissing me off. Ugh. Yo, that is disgusting, bro. Ew. Yo, okay, I just got cut off. Look at this shit. I'm no expert, but if it's one thing that's gonna happen is me fall off this. Oh, this is actually kind of scary. Oh no. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not really meant for that. You know what I'm saying? I'm good. I'm meant for this. This is what I'm meant for. Dude, look at that hill. Like, do I try it? Dude, that is a crazy hill. Dude, I think I can do that. Dude, that is so steep. That is crazy steep, bro. Dude, there's like a whole path right here. Look at this. There's a jump right here. This is crazy. Alright, where's the detour? Detour? I just took the detour! What do you mean? Dude, I might just ride through there. Yeah, tons of people are riding through there. Maybe I should have just checked. The trail's right here, bro. Bro, I should have just taken this. Well, I guess now I know, but damn. Whatever. I don't even know what that guy said, but I think he said not here. And I just gotta say yes there. It's not even my fault. I mean, they have a dirt trail for dirt bikes right there on the cyclist trail. I don't get why people hate having fun. Like, I'm not one of the guys that give this I guess, dirt bike a bad reputation. Just take it slow around corners, pass when it's safe. And if you're safe about it, then you're fine. I don't know what I did to hurt that guy.